Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the COWS assessment. So what is a COWS assessment? The Clinical Opioid Withdrawal Scale Assessment, or the COWS assessment, is an 11-item questionnaire. They assess the severity level of a person's opioid withdrawal during detoxification in order to determine an appropriate treatment plan. They work towards smoothing rehabilitation. Also used to determine if a patient should have alternative medicine. The COWS assessment covers resting BPM, GI upset, sweating, bone or joint aches, tremor, yawning, pupil size, restlessness, runny nose or tearing, anxiety and irritability, as well as gooseflesh skin. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use it, including doctors and many more. Here's how to use a COWS assessment effectively. The first step is to fill out the essential patient information. You'll then need to complete each section by ticking the relevant statement. Tally scores and integrate within treatment plan to finish. To view a sample assessment of the COWS, check out our website at carepatron.com. You can access the assessment on our template section within the community and assessment. Edit however you wish and click publish to complete. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron.